Hello viewers, I am Christiana Balogun. Welcome to Relationship Tidbits for all ages. When you are betrayed, denied, and rejected by your ex, do not let up, nor be dismayed. It is a wake-up call. Be strong and courageous. Opportunities abound everywhere. Take a recess and rediscover self. Be more fervent in praise. Give yourself a mega treat going forward. Connect and become a better you. Make yourself happy. Your best days are here. You can make it happen again. You have no one to blame. God has just opened a new chapter of your life. Reorganize your life and give priority to things that matter most. Trust me, your Prince Charming will appear. Stay gorgeous, stay loving. God bless you till we meet again. Bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment.